And the new Miss Grand Myanmar is Miss Grand Namka. Queen, take your first walk. This is your new Miss Grand Myanmar. Runner up စီကိုရရှိသွားတာကတော့ Miss Grand ဗမော်ဖြစ်ပါတယ် Congratulations. And the fourth runner-up of Miss Grand Myanmar 2025 is Haka. Congratulations, Haka. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the top 7 finalists.